Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 15th block, which is length. Isn't it, children? And in this, we have learned how to draw the line segments for the given length. And we also learned how to convert the units from meters to centimeters and centimeters to meters. Isn't it, children? So, today we are going to learn how to convert kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers, which is our third topic. Okay, so it is very similar, children. Only thing is you have to know 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, as we have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, isn't it, children? In the same way, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. If you remember this, then you can easily solve the sums here. Okay, let's see here. Convert 30,000 meters to kilometers. Okay, when we are converting, see here, meters is smaller and kilometer is bigger. Isn't it, children? So, we have to convert small to big. So, when we are converting small to big, what we have to do? We have to do the division. Isn't it, children? And we have to know how many meters will make 1 kilometer. That is, 1 kilometer will be equal to 1,000 meters. Now we have to divide with 1,000 here. Okay, so 30,000 divided by 1,000. Now, as we know, we will cancel the zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Let's see, there are 3 zeros in divisor. In dividend we have 4 zeros, so we will cancel 3 zeros in dividend and divisor, which is 1, 2 and 3. So we have cancelled. Now what is left out? 30, isn't it, children? So 30 kilometers. Okay. Now finally what you will write? Therefore 30,000 meters is equal to 30 kilometers. Okay, children. So let's see another sum. So here you have to convert kilometers to meters. That is, from bigger unit to smaller unit. Then we have to do the multiplication, isn't it, children? So we already know 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, isn't it? So now 81 should be multiplied with 1,000. Okay, to make it meters. So 81 into 1,000. So you can write 81 and add 3 zeros at the end. Yes, as we have learned earlier in the multiplication blocks. Yes, so you will write 81,000 meters. Okay, so when we are converting from smaller to bigger, we need to divide. When we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, then you need to multiply. Okay, do remember that, children. So finally what you will write? Therefore 81 kilometers is equal to 81,000 meters. Okay, let's see another type of sum here. 9 kilometers 12 meters equal to dash meters. That means this kilometers you have to convert into meters. So what we have to do? We need to multiply, isn't it? So first let's separate the kilometers and meters, and then we will multiply with 1,000. Okay, so 9 kilometers, so we will write it as 9 kilometers plus 12 meters. This 9 kilometers we have to multiply with 1,000 to make it meters. Now, and plus 12 meters, you will copy it down. Okay, 9 into 1,000 becomes 9,000 meters plus 12 meters. Now we need to add these two. Why we are adding here? Because both are meters. They have, both are same units, isn't it, children? So you will write 9,012 meters. Okay, so finally you will write, therefore 9 kilometers 12 meters is equal to 9,012 meters. Okay, let's see another sum. So 8,200 meters, we have to separate them as kilometers and meters. For this, children, what we have to do is we need to separate the thousands and hundreds. That is 8,000 meters plus 200 meters. Now this 8,000 meters we can convert into kilometers, isn't it? By how? By dividing with 1,000. So you will divide with 1,000 and make it kilometers. Now we have 3 zeros in dividend and divisor. So you will cancel 1 by 1. Okay, now what is left out? 8 divided by 1. That becomes 8. So what you can write, 8 kilometers plus 200 meters. Now here kilometers and meters you have. They are not same. Kilometers is bigger unit and meters is smaller unit, isn't it, children? So you'll simply remove the plus and just write 8 kilometers 200 meters. Okay, finally what you can write, therefore 8200 meters is equal to 8 kilometers 200 meters. Okay, children. Now, we have learned how to convert centimeters to meters and meters to centimeters. And also we have learned how to convert kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers. Yes. Now, the next question is, they have given in the kilometers, you have to convert into centimeters. Okay. So, we don't know how to do this, isn't it, children? So, what we will do is, first, we will convert the kilometers into meters, and from that, you will convert into centimeters. Okay. So, 3 kilometers, isn't it, children? So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, 3 into 1000 you have to write, which becomes 3000 meters. That is, 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meters. Now, this 3000 meters should be converted into centimeters, isn't it? And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That means we have to multiply with 100. That is 3000 meters into 100 centimeters. Okay. Now, how much you will get? 3 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 lakhs. 3 lakhs centimeter. That means 3 kilometers is equal to 3 lakh centimeters, and that will be equal to 3000 meters. Okay, children. So, in this way, you need to convert from kilometers to centimeters. Okay, children. So, there are few more sums in your daily schedule. Copy it down in your class workbook, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 37, S3. Convert meter into kilometer. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.